The warning AFS system error in the Infiniti Q50 is connected with either the cornering function of the headlight or the headlight leveling system. AFS stands for Adaptive Front Lighting System, and it controls the angle of the low beam. First of all, if you see this warning after you install the new headlight or install the new light bulb in non-LED headlights, the system just may not work till it's reset with the dealership grade scanner. There are trouble codes stored and you can't reset them without professional tools. Also, this is the case after front end accident that may hit something out of its place even without visual damage to the headlight. But in the majority of cases, the problem is actually with the headlight unit. There is no specific relay or fuse for the AFS system. It's controlled by the dedicated AFS control unit, and this unit is very rarely faulty. But the headlight system is not eternal, especially if, in full LED headlights. At some point, you may notice that after the light bends to the right or to the left, the beam will not return to its initial position, and you will get the AFS system error warning now and then. After you turn the car off and on, the problem may disappear, but this is the first stage of failing for the headlight system. To cut a long story short, you will need the new headlight to fix the problem, and the price of the OEM AFS headlight for the Q50 is insanely high, so it's often not an option. What you may do is find a used headlight from a wrecked car or get an aftermarket option, but aftermarket ones provide you with awful quality, so it's a questionable solution. Alternatively, in some cases, the AFS system error warning may mean that the leveling system is broken, and in this case you will need to check the rear suspension height sensors. Those will have dedicated codes, so they're quite easy to diagnose with a good scanner, and actually it's not a common problem at all for the Q50.